vice captains of different categories for organizing yourselves and running the school in a smooth way. Our school runs well through your cooperations, and all our activities have been done through house-wise, and we thank you for the spirit of leadership and for the sense of sacrifice that you have put in throughout this year. A few more announcements is this, that before we give the prize, we'd like to inform you that today the counter will be open, and tomorrow too the fee counter will be open from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. for parents or for you to come and collect the admit cards. And even on Sunday, we are opening the counter from 10 a.m. to 12 noon. All those who need to write the application and get the admit card, I'll be available today. I will not be available tomorrow. On Sunday, we'll be available again from 10 a.m. to 12 noon. So kindly take note of that. We are having even working day on Sunday because we want all of you to get the admit card and the permit card. And I don't want to see anybody coming to the school on Monday standing here since you don't have the admit card or the duplicate admit card. This is a necessary document, and we are giving you ways and means in order to get the duplicate admit card or the admit card. And at least you should have sufficient intelligence to understand this. So, do the needful, communicate with your parents, and kindly do the needful. Without much waste of time, I hand over the mic to Sir Mahadev. Kindly sir, please announce. Sister, please.
Good morning, Father, teachers, and you, my dear students. I'm so happy to announce. So, I shall announce from the last 4. So, second goes to Blue House. Please come, captains. Your points are second prize. They are getting altogether minus and plus is there, therefore they are getting green house. Third prize.
Green house, captain, vice captain.
Red house. Please come. Red house. Clap. All right, clap. I always know who is that, isn't it? Yes. So it is yellow house. Give a round of applause. So it is very good. Last time also yellow house was, now also they are getting. So they are trying to. Red house what?
Fourth, no?
Yeah, fourth.
Red house.
Red house, fourth.
Yellow house with. Then red house.
Red house, only one. Oh.
Sir.
You clap, all of you. So they got 4. They count in your life, not only your studies, all the other co-curricular activities. Especially the leaders, I appreciate. Congratulations to everybody. I would like that all the leaders, those who are having badges, please bring and give it to me for spirit itself.
Please have the distribution of sweets itself. Here, the captains take it out, distribute, and then within 5 minutes we go back to the classroom. All those who want sweets.
Yellow house won. Yellow house.
Distribute according to the line.
Distribution of sweets.
Volunteer. Where is the volunteer?
So raining. Unexpected rains. OMG.